This video will show you how to install a commercial open front top fixing seat. We're using the Sustainable Solutions Model 326065W. This is a very simple installation. The hardware is all inserted and tightened from the top, so it works very well even with fully skirted bowls. All you need to install this seat is a Phillips screwdriver. The rest is included with the seat. The first step is to insert the rubber washers into the base of the seat hinge and press them in firmly. Then flip the seat over, lining up the seat holes with the holes in the bowl. There are 2 sets of adjustment plates included with your seat. 2 sets are included because we don't know what toilet the seat will be installed with, and the adjustment plates help to align the seat hinges into different types of bowls. Choose the adjustment plate that best aligns with the holes in your toilet bowl. You can test it by inserting the seat bolt through the hole to make sure that it fits well. Once you've chosen the adjustment plate that works best for your toilet, remove the adjustment plate that you won't be using. With the bolts still in place, flip the seat over and install the rest of the hardware. First, attach the red expansion anchor, placing it so that the wider side faces toward the seat. Next, you'll install the expansion sleeve, and finally the brass cone, positioning it so that the wide side faces away from the seat. Screw in the brass cone until the hinge hardware is held tightly in place. Now repeat this process on the other side, making sure to add the correct adjustment plate first. Now you can flip the seat over and insert the hardware directly into the bowl seat holes, pushing it firmly into place. While the seat is still loose, align it with the bowl so that both sides and front are lined up with the bowl. Once the seat is aligned, using a Phillips screwdriver, tighten the screws until they are both firmly in place. Now you can close the seat hinges and you're done. If the seat ever loosens, you can simply repeat those last steps, snapping open the hinge covers, aligning the seat, and tightening it. For more information on this installation or for assistance with any of our products, please contact our customer support team at 1-800-460-7019 or email us at help@sustainablesolutions.com. Our team is available Monday to Friday from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Pacific Time, and we'd love to hear from you.